Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install Java Jdk environment. To download and install, open your browser, type Java, and you can also add JDK and press enter. We will open the first page on the www.oracle.com and we will click on it. Next step, you will need to locate which version do you need for your computer. So if you are running a Linux, you want to download and install Linux version. If you want Mac, it's also available. For this video and for the purpose of showing you, I will be downloading and installing the Windows one. So for Windows, there are two versions. There is the 86, which is also equal to the 32-bit version, and there is the Windows 64-bit. To decide which one you want to install on your Windows computer, you can always go to your search tab and type Jdk. Click to run this command. A little window will pop up with all the information you need to make the right choice. So here, for example, it says operating system Windows 10 Professional 64-bit. So I want to make sure to download 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit, then download the version Windows x86, which will be matching with yours. To download, click on this link on the right side, and you can click I reviewed and accept Oracle conditions, and you can click on download again. You will be redirected to another page. You will be asked for your Oracle account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. If you do, just enter the details and click on sign in. Once you have entered your details and signed in, you will be allowed to download the Java. So now we'll wait until it's completely downloaded, and I will show you how you can proceed with the installation. You can close your browser. You need to go to your downloads and you need to locate the Java file. Here we do have it. You click with the right button of the mouse and you select Run as Administrator. Windows will show you a message asking you if you really want to allow the application to make changes to your computer or your device. You can go ahead and click Yes. You will need to wait a few seconds to 1 minute. Make sure that you are still connected to the internet, and the installation will start. So this window will pop up. Click Next, and the next step again, leave everything by default and click Next. So this window will pop up again. Just go ahead and click Next. The Java installation will start again, another window, and all what you need to do is just to be patient and to wait a little bit. So now the installation process has been completed. You will be prompted with this window asking you if you really want to access tutorials, APA, documentation, developer guides, releases, notes, and more to help you to get started with this. So you can go ahead and click Next if you want to. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and click Close. If you click Next, you will be just directed to Google Chrome, and here you will be having all the available guides and tutorials for Java. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you. If you are still looking on how you can access after the installation, just go to your search tab and type Java, and you will have all the files and documentation related to it. Don't forget to press like if you like this video, and also to share with your friends, and if you would like, you can always subscribe to get our latest video.